Hello everybody. I am out here in my little garden here in the liquid sunshine, enjoying the beautiful weather that we're having. So what I did about a week ago is I actually just took I was doing an experiment. I took some store-bought black beans and I just kind of free casted them through the garden. You can see I got them growing. I just added some more actually. So beans actually nitrogen enrich the soil. They actually add nitrogen to the soil as they grow. So I got to do a little bit of weeding still. I got a dandelion there, but so my intention was just to free cast them in, let them grow through the year. If I get a harvest off of them, great. If not, well, it's not a big deal. But I get the nitrogen into the soil. And I was just doing more of an experiment to actually see if I could get them to grow. And they were just dried beans that I bought in a bag. I bought, what was it, a pound of them for $1, I think. And so I just threw a little more through the yard here, or through my garden there, and you can see I can't guarantee that every single one of them sprouted, because I mean, I don't even know how many I threw. I threw about half the bag, so probably not all of them sprouted, but the majority of them did, which I'm actually very impressed with. I wasn't expecting them to. I actually still got some oregano right there. Wasn't expecting them to grow like that, but they did, which is amazing for me. My raspberry bush, I think a critter got in there and bent it down, broke it down a little bit, because the raspberries that were on there are gone now. So I think a critter got in there and got to them. Oh well, you can only do what you can do. You can do so much to keep them out of there. And then there's my girls pooping breakfast every morning for me. I get about a half a dozen eggs from them every morning. But I think that's about all I got now. So until next time, see you later.